Then Satya Sodak Samaj, this is important. And Jyotiba Phule. All the information about Jyotiba Phule important for your ethics also, for your essay also, anything related in Indian society of paper 1, that is also, and important for prelims, mains, prelims and this modern history, right? So Jyotiba Phule is very much important. You need to study it in great detail, right? So he founded what? Satya Sodak Samaj, Truth Seekers Society, in 1873, as a powerful movement against upper caste domination and Brahminical supremacy. Right? Against what? Upper caste domination, Brahminical supremacy. This is important. Basically, he was against upper caste domination. No? Upper caste means Brahmins and Brahminical supremacy. His main aim were social service and spread of education among women and lower caste people. Right? His works Sarvajanik Satya Dharma and Gulamgiri. So Gulamgiri is very much important. It is being asked in many examination. Other is Sarvajanik Satya Dharma and Gulamgiri means slavery. Right? Phule used the symbol of Raja Bali as opposed to Brahmin symbol of Rama. So what is this Raja Bali? And this, let me tell you, I will tell you what is the story. Phule aimed at the complete abolition of the caste system and socio-economic inequalities. He was awarded the title of Mahatma for his social reform work. So basically, is a story of Raja Bali is like, you know, Raja Bali is basically revered in Kerala. Now, Onam is the festival of Kerala and it is celebrated every year. So that festival is celebrated for the Raja Bali itself. So what is the story? There was a king Raja Bali, and he was very good, very prosperous, and was doing everything good for the people, which is not liked by whom? By gods. So gods, and according to Hindu mythology, Raja Bali is considered as a demon. Okay, so asura जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. So he was not liked by God, so they started to conspire against him, gods. So what did they do? One avatar came, incarnation named as Vamana avatar. Okay, and he asked Raja Bali that I want your territory. I will just use my 3 steps, and whatever will come in those 3 steps, I will take it. So Raja Bali became agree. So in first step, woman avatar, god woman, he just covered what? Whole earth. In next step, he covered the whole sky. Now nothing left in the universe. So he asked Raja Bali that now everything has been covered in just 2 steps. Now you tell me what you can offer in my 3rd step. So he offered his own head, and finally Raja Bali died because Vaman kept his 3rd step above Raja Bali's head, right? So this Jyotiba Phule used as the symbol of saying that Raja Bali was generous, loyal, and working for upliftment of women, downtrodden, but God or Brahmin supremacy killed them, right? So he was using this symbolism, and finally the Raja Bali was given this opportunity that okay, if you are a good king of this region, so every year you can come and visit here. So Onam is celebrated to mark that occasion when Raja Bali, it is considered that Raja Bali is coming, and Raja Bali is the god of people who were there in southern India, right? Basically Kerala. So ये idea था Raja Bali wala, which was popularized by whom? Jyotiba Phule. And if you are student of sociology or your optional is sociology, so here sociologists like Gail Ombet, they have discussed in great detail about this idea of Jyotiba Phule, that how he used the upliftment of lower castes by using this story. And also Jyotiba Phule, he brought one piece of a stone, a big stone, and he just established it and started worshipping that piece of stone. So here he wanted to symbolize that the worshipping or idol worshipping is not only the domain of Brahmin itself. It's not only monopolized by Brahmin itself. We lower caste people can also use this practice. Next personality is Gopal Hari Deshmukh, and he is also known as Lok Hitwadi, right? So who gave him is the name of pen name Lok Hitwadi. He wrote the weekly Prabhakar under the pen name Lok Hitwadi. So it was his pen name, right? And he was a social reformer and rationalist from Maharashtra. Deshmukh, we know, a powerful Deshmukh. While we were reading Maratha War, Anglo-Maratha War, there also we discussed that it was one of the confederacy Deshmukh were, right? And you understand his thought. If religion does not sanction social reform, then change religion. How radical it is, right? You can change the religion if your religion is not sanctioning social reform. He started a weekly Hitekshu and also played Hitekshu. It is actually Hitekshu. Hitekshu means you are trying or you are inclined to do goods for others. Hit ke iksha karne wala, Hitekshu. And also played the leading role in founding the periodicals Gyan Prakash, Indu Prakash. This is important. Gyan Prakash Patrika and Indu Prakash. Published by whom? Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Gopal Hari Deshmukh, Lok Hitwadi. Lok Hitwadi means Hitekshu. See, you can understand this. Lok Hitwadi, he wants to do the hit, means good of people. That's why Hitekshu, right? So easy to remember. Next is Gopal Ganesh Agarkar. So simply you can read about him. Not very much important. The Servant of India Society is important. Can be asked that when it was found, who founded it and what was the work of Servant of India Society. So it was basically founded by Gopal Krishna Gokhale in year 1905, right? And the aim of the society was in year 1905 when we have when the partition of Bengal took place and Swadeshi movement started. So at that point of time, this Servant of India Society was established. And what were the aim? To train national missionaries for the service of India, to promote by all constitutional means the true interest of the Indian people, and to prepare a cadre of selfless workers who were to devote their lives and cause for the country, right? So basically he wanted to create a cadre, he wanted to bring people, he wanted to work for the masses, right? To bring masses under the aegis of Indian National Congress, and also to have in their mind the concept of nationality, okay, patriotism, so that people can understand the cause for which they are fighting and they can fight against British. In 1911, Hitwada began to publish the views of the society. After Gokhale's death in 1915, Srinivas Shastri took over as the president. Okay, so this is important because these kind of information that who founded, when it was founded, was asked many times. So next kind of information which can be asked is who was the caretaker after the death of Gopal Krishna Gokhale of Servant of India Society. No need to read in detail apart from this information. Okay.